Hi guys, welcome back. Oya shaku. Okay, I've told myself that I'm not going to be unnecessarily dramatic in this new series. So let me sit down like a proper child and record this video. Welcome back to Scenarios DIY. Today I will be teaching you how to use an old jean t-shirt. I've had this t-shirt for I think 2 years. I think it's been 2 years. I bought it from Lagos Market, so it has overstayed its record, you know. And as usual, I'm always looking for DIY ideas that you can easily make from. And I had this idea to teach you how to use this old jean t-shirt or any of your old jean t-shirts to make a jean tote bag. You can see how excited I am to be here. I have to apologize because I know that I have not uploaded videos in, I actually thought it was a month before, but I actually calculated it for 2 months now. And if you'd like to know the full story of what happened, Scenario's IG handle is right on the screen at scenario_ng, and on our IGTV I explained why I've not been able to upload as frequently as before. Please follow us on Instagram, we would really appreciate it. Now you know the usual things I will say now: subscribe, like, comment. The reason why I need you to subscribe is because it helps to increase Scenario's rating. You guys know that I do this with the whole of my heart, and I'm giving you anything for it, but at the same time I'm not getting my videos monetized, and the reason is because I don't have enough view time. So most of you must have heard about how YouTube changed their rules, their policies, which was a long time ago, but which means that my channel must have a certain number of views before it can be monetized. So all these videos right now is not monetized at all, and you guys can see free money wasting away. So please guys, when you subscribe, when you click on that thumbs up button, you know that thumbs up button, it's very easy to find. It's just underneath the video. Please don't be stingy with it. Just click it, I beg you. Click on the thumbs up button. I get higher ratings. And when you comment, see, even if you comment, it's good to see you, or welcome back, I don't care. Okay, no, I do care, but please just comment. Just comment. Just let me know that you're actually watching. That goes a long way in helping Scenario. Yeah, so that is the long gist. I'm going to cut this off now. Why don't we go ahead to make our jean shirt? Hi guys, so like I said, to make this jean tote bag, what we're going to be using is an old jean t-shirt. We're going to be using thread. We're also going to be using Ankara buttons. Obviously, you know, we always have to add a touch of Ankara to whatever we're doing. So we're going to use Ankara buttons and you scissors, obviously. Okay, getting straight ahead. This is the jean shirt, and the best way to go about it, I decided to, so you can actually style it as you wish or like, but the way I have decided to do it, I've buttoned up my jean t-shirt as you can see. Next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to cut off the underneath. So as you can see, we've cut up the sides of the shirt and over here also. So what I'm going to be doing now is I need to cut this off and just reduce this right here. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have cut the fabric. So this is it right here. This is the shirt here. This is the back of the shirt. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to sew the ends in. The reason why I'm sewing the end is because this is where a lot of weight is going to be put in. It's the underneath of the bag, so it has to be very secure. Hey guys, so as you can see, this is the end of the stitching, and the reason why I double sewed the ending is because this is where a lot of pressure is going to be put into during the sewing. So that's why I did that. If you look at the rest of the sewing, it's literally just a simple tack all through. If you have a sewing machine, please use your sewing machine, as it's definitely going to make a lot more neater and secure. So I'm going to cut this off. Okay guys, as you can see, the edges of our bag is secured. So I'm going to sew the edges. I'm going to sew this way. I'm also going to come here and sew this way. I'm going to do this on the inside. You guys see how I tack the edges. As you can see, I've tacked this edge all round. So I'm going to go to the other edge here and tack it. And it's really easy. I mean, if I had a sewing machine, obviously this would have been done in seconds, not even minutes. Like seconds. But we have our hands, so we have to use it to sew, you know. Okay, let me make sure. This is how the edges look after they've been sewn. They look pretty neat. Just look at it right here. It's all sewed in. Even the other edge is all sewed in, as you can see. So now what we have left is what do you think we have left? The handles, yeah? So okay guys, as you can see, I have the full length of what I'm going to be using. This is the full length for the bag's hands. So it depends on how thick you want the hand to be or how slim you want it to be. Just right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing a lot of adjusting. Just watch me and follow me slowly. Hey guys, so as you can see, I have been able to cut out successfully the two straps. This is the first one and this is the second one. You have to be you have to ensure that the two sides actually have the same length. So what I'm going to do is I'm placing the shorter one on top of the longer one, as you can see, and I'm going to cut off the excess. Just right here. Awesome. Here, I'm going to attach the hands here and here. I'm liking this. It's looking like a pinafore kind of bag. Cute bag. Ew. That was so raz. Anyway, so this in first, like this. After I fold it in, I'm then going to glue the edges. Guys, we are done. As you can see, we have our bag and the whole bag right here. We have the hand of the bag also. This is the back of the bag. I have these buttons right in front. We can actually decide to open it. We can actually decide to open it up and then like put whatever we want inside. So for example, put this book inside and just put this here. Can also decide to put this inside. Can also decide to put this inside. And after we put all these things inside, we can decide to lock it. Lock? No, not lock actually. Close it. And it's really that easy. To spice it all up, we're going to be adding something. You know how Cenero is known for its uniqueness, and I think that's something that I always try to preach in my DIY tutorials. So now that we've done this bag, it's really nice and simple. But what if we want to spice it up? What can we do? We can actually take these buttons. Can you see? Let me bring it a bit closer. Exactly. Can you see the buttons now? So we're going to be using buttons like this, like this, like this. So it's going to have a red, yellow pattern. We're going to take all these buttons, as you can see, all these buttons, and then we're going to fit it right on the shirt. Let me show you how. OMG. That was awesome. That was absolutely awesome. You know, the awesome thing about jean tote bags is that you could wear it for any casual outing. Like you're going for a barbecue party, jean bag. You're going to ShopRite, jean bag. You're going to ICM, jean bag. You're going to I don't know, Oxford Street, jean bag. You're going shopping, jean bag. You're going to carry your jean bag, my sister. That's what I'm trying to tell you. It's been really awesome recording this video. Also, I'm sure that most of you must have recognized the equipment that I used in this video. Obviously, this video is much better compared to like all our other videos. And that's because we got a new camera. Yeah, so we have a new camera. We also have a tripod, and yeah, we're using some kind of lightning show going on right now. If you're interested in getting this equipment, maybe you have your own YouTube channel or you're trying to start one, the link is just right down below. So it's an Amazon link to all the equipment that I used in this video, free of charge. No, the item is not free of charge, but I'm giving you the link free of charge. So it's an Amazon affiliate link. What happens is that when you click on it, the price is still the same as if you bought it from like anywhere, but I get a percentage because you clicked on the link from my video. So please click on the link, and if you know somebody that is really into like YouTube videos and they're just starting up, show them my channel. If they love this video, give them the link. Yes, we're trying to make money this year, guys. I know, I'm sorry. I just have to pay for the camera that I bought, you know. Yes, guys, that is all. Also, I'd like to let you know that if you'd like to buy our tote bags, you guys know how Scenario has like different designs when it comes to tote bags. You can click on the link also below. It's a link to our store. For Nigerian buyers, you'd have to send me a DM. You can send me a DM or comment if you'd like to buy, because the link is showing in pounds, which might be more expensive for you. So if you're in Nigeria and you're interested in this product, send me DM on Instagram or comment right below. Can I get to know about blah 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 blah, and I'll reply you straight away. And you know, this is the end of selling and buying. It's time to end the video. It has been really awesome. You guys can see how I'm grinning. I'm so happy to be back, y'all. Okay guys, I'll see you next week. Let me know any questions you'd have. And it's a wrap. No, I have to play Coupé challenge at the end of this video. You know, spice it up. Where is it? Bye guys, see you next week.